By this time you have seen 2 university mark lists. So you should be knowing what it is to be done. When I write a flow chart, it doesn't mean that this is the only way. There could be some variations. Got it? So that will be the basis, whatever is taught to you in the college or over here. Because right now I am doing all this exercise. Every time it may not be possible. Because then I can keep on writing the same program, same flow chart in another 2 lectures also. We will keep on discussing the result issue only. Okay. To avoid all that, I have included that subject discrete mathematics in the same course. Because over there I am required to discuss the logic behind every problem. Otherwise it was not necessary. I shouldn't have clubbed it in this particular batch. Because then I can easily point out as how many ways could be there to solve a particular problem. And in how many different ways the solution can be correct one. Okay. I want you to draw the detailed flow chart, no empty boxes. You will have to write it fully. Okay. Draw it. Then we will write the program for it. And from next time it will be better if you get that stencil which contains these flowchart boxes also. Let us have this habit right from day 1. So we won't be drawing it freehand. Use that stencil and put a box. Your statement may go outside. That doesn't matter. Like in my case, this is going out. But ठीक है, क्योंकि stencil जब use करोगे तो that box size is limited. Now, we'll proceed with the code for it. Hash include stdio.h, void main. This time I am writing it, next time probably I may dictate it also. Okay, so one should be very attentive. You can write it with me also. It is int m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, total, count. All the variables which I am using in my program. We also have average, float AVG, because it will be percentage, so fractional part will come into picture. Okay. Enter marks of 5 subjects, comma, out of 100. This is in the bracket. Write it on the same line. Backslash n, double quotes complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Because if some marks are out of 50 and some marks are out of 100, then our average will go wrong. So we are saying that enter marks of 5 subjects into bracket out of 100. This is all a message. Okay. And we are required to read 5 values, which is scanf double quotes 5 times %d, double quotes complete, comma, ampersand m1, ampersand m2, ampersand m3, ampersand m4, ampersand m5, bracket complete, semicolon. As a good practice, we put a comment, says that input part over. It is /* to //, which is just the information